In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save changes in Elementor for your WordPress site. Whether you're a seasoned Elementor user or just starting out, understanding how to efficiently save your changes can make a significant difference in maintaining your work's integrity and quality. Let's walk through these processes together, ensuring that your efforts are safeguarded every step of the way. First, let's talk about regular saving. When you've made all your desired changes in Elementor and you want to apply them live, you can easily do so using the controls at the bottom left of the Elementor panel. There, you'll find the Update button, or if it's your initial attempt to save, it may appear as the Publish button. Clicking this button is like locking in your changes. It brings them out into the world for everyone to see. It's a simple and efficient way to ensure your content is current and your edits are visible to your audience. However, before making those changes permanent, you might want to preview how everything looks. This step is crucial to ensure your edits are as polished as you imagined. Right next to the Update button, you'll notice an eye icon. This is your preview tool. By clicking on the eye icon, you can get a real-time view of your changes before committing them fully. It's like having a safety net, allowing you to tweak things as needed without any immediate pressure. Now, let's delve into the convenience of Elementor's autosave and revisions features. Elementor autosaves your draft regularly, which is a lifesaver, especially when you're deep into creative work and distractions are just a notification away. This feature provides peace of mind, ensuring that even if an unexpected hiccup occurs, like a power switch off or a software crash, your progress is backed up and safe. But what if you need to revert some changes, or perhaps go back to an earlier version of your work? This is where Elementor's revision history comes in handy. Right within the Elementor interface, you'll find the History panel, which you can access by clicking on the clock icon. This useful tool keeps a record of all the adjustments you've made, allowing you to scroll through previous versions of your page. If you find an iteration you'd like to return to, simply select and restore it. This method is particularly helpful if you later decide that a previous design version was a better fit. So, there you have it. By understanding how to save, preview your changes, and utilize autosave and revisions in Elementor, you're equipped to keep your WordPress site looking exactly the way you want it. It's all about making sure your creativity is supported by smart, efficient management of your work. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found these insights valuable for your WordPress endeavors.